Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by grabbing the night vision device and putting it on right away. This is the first actionable step. Once equipped, make sure your battery is at least 50% and stash one spare in a quick slot so you can swap without opening menus. Practice the toggle keybind in a nearby dark alley to confirm it works. This removes surprises later and speeds you up. You want to treat this like a routine check. Ready, tested, and instantly usable when you enter low-light areas. Once done equipping, adjust night vision brightness and contrast to keep outlines crisp and avoid washout. This helps you spot silhouettes versus background clutter. Move deliberately. Slow strafes and short bursts of movement reduce motion blur and make tracking easier. Make sure to pair night vision with thermal or a brief flashlight pulse only when you need identification, because extra light reveals you. Remember to check corners and windows methodically. Scanning in lanes and using cover preserves stealth and gives you time to react. To finish, swap to your spare battery before the indicator falls below 10% so you never experience a sudden blackout. If you encounter flicker or visual artifacts, toggle night vision off and on, or unequip and re-equip the device to reset the effect. If problems persist, relogging often clears temporary glitches. Capture a screenshot of your settings and the issue before reporting it to support. This sequence ensures you complete objectives while minimizing downtime and keeping your visuals reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.